Indeed, and most men would seize the opportunity to have a greater penis. Improve. Truly, most ladies like seeing a major penis, so early introductions can matter a great deal. Men that experience the ill effects of little penis size and poor sexual capacity would now be able to develop themselves with penis extension pills, normal activities, and cot gadgets. I have attempted to grow my penis, lastly discovered a few strategies that accomplish work. Let me disclose to you that penis extension is a steady cycle that doesn't occur without any forethought, and it's not for everybody. Initial a little life systems. Your penis is comprised of 3 fundamental zones or chambers. The 2 on the top are made of supple tissue that tops off with blood during erections. Together they are known as the corpora cavernosa. The other significant chamber runs along the lower part of the penis and is known as the corpus sporangium. This part holds the urethra, which is the way pee and discharge leave the body. Activities and cots. Characteristic penis expansion raises a man's certainty, and this hugely affects his sexual well-being. 80% of men doing characteristic penis expansion utilize day-by-day activities to improve their size and penis well-being. Expansion works out, alongside the cot gadgets, are a more secure option in contrast to the medical procedure, and work by extending the penile tissues. This is a similar extending measure utilized after the penis development medical procedure. As the penis is extended, regardless of whether with works out or for longer timeframes, likewise with the gadget, it develops. Penile tissue that can't be amplified with the medical procedure can extend to top off with more blood. Specialists have done tests that demonstrate that size gains rely upon how much gadgets are utilized, or how frequently practices are finished. Numerous men consolidate some type of extending with pills to improve the inflow of blood to the penis. Natural penis augmentation pills. Natural pills improve blood courses and have no results. They help to loosen up the smooth muscles that control erections inside the penis, to permit blood to stream in. Spanish fly spices in pills plan to improve sexual longing and sensation. Homegrown pills are made of exceptional sexual spices, similar to ginseng, catawba, and zinc. These fixings originate from trees in probably the most flawless tropical jungles on Earth. Long-haul utilization of natural pills can add new layers of cells in the dividers of the penis to add lasting size in circumference, or thickness. Penis amplification pills additionally have been appeared to advance long-haul penis well-being. There have been numerous new advances in the strategies to develop penis size. While medical procedures, siphons, and prosthetic gadgets begin to become dim as agonizing or in any case perilous techniques, normal penis growth gets more famous. Because a man longed to improve his sexual well-being, there are currently a huge number of organizations advancing homegrown penis development pills and exercise programs, among different techniques.